here's a 5-minute yoga class to get you ready for the day. We'll warm up the muscles while moving mindfully with the breath. So to start, come onto your hands and knees. Take the knees under the hips, the wrists under the shoulders. As you inhale, drop the spine, gaze up. Exhale, reverse, chin to chest, crown of the head heavy. Inhale, drop the spine, tailbone lifts, gaze up. Exhale, reverse, round the back here. One more of these. We inhale, gazing up. Lift the sternum, and then exhale, reverse, chin to chest, crown of the head heavy. Inhale to a neutral spine. From here, go ahead and tuck the right toes back, the left toes back. Find a high plank. While you're in your high plank, squeeze all of the muscles in your legs, and then really press into the hands. Super strong here. Space between the chest and the floor. One more inhale. As you exhale, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. First down dog of the morning. Go ahead and bend one knee deeply. Bend the other knee deeply. Pedaling out the feet just a few times here. Good. Coming to stillness, press into the hands. Feel as though the triceps are wrapping back towards the legs. On an inhale, walk the feet forward to the hands. Ragdoll. So opposite hands, opposite elbows. Bend in the knees is a beautiful thing here. Take the rib cage all the way to the thighs and start to sway from side to side, bending one knee and then the other. Feeling a stretch in the lower body. Still breathing deeply here. Good. Coming to center, take the hands to the floor. It's okay if the knees are bent here. Inhale, lengthen the spine and kind of look out in front of you. And then as you exhale, let's send the right foot back. So finding a lunge position here, maybe tenting the fingers on either side of that left foot. On an inhale, take the arms into airplane pose. The rib cage is almost to the thigh here. The legs are super, super strong. Exhale, inhale, arms up, torso stays in the same place. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, arms up, bicep toward the ears. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, arms up one last time, super strong in the core and the legs. Exhale, hands down, left foot steps back, high plank. Squeeze the legs, press into the hands, super strong here. Inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale, long exhale. Walk the feet forward to the hands, ragdoll again. Opposite hands, opposite elbows. Shift the weight forward into the toes. It's almost like I could slide a piece of paper underneath your heels. Deep breath in, long breath out. Release the hands down to the mat. Again, if the knees are bent, that's fine. Inhale, lengthen the heart forward. This time we'll send the left foot back. Find that lunge. The fingers are tented. Squeeze the legs a lot. And then on your next inhale, the hands grow light, airplane arms. Inhale, take the biceps by the ears. Exhale, airplane. Swimming the arms back and forth. We inhale, lifting the arms forward. Exhale, take them back. Keep the legs strong here. One more inhale. Exhale, hands to frame the foot. Right foot steps back. It's that high plank. Squeeze the glutes, the thighs, the quads. Press into the hands. Puff up the upper back. So we're protracting the shoulders. One more inhale here. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hips are high. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Go ahead and step the feet forward to the hands. And inhale and lengthen the spine, half lift. Exhale, folding here. Root down to rise up. Palms touch above the head. Gaze towards the thumbs. Exhale, hands to the sides of the body. Deep inhale here. Long exhale. Notice your heart beating. Notice your breath. Notice energy within the muscles. And then blinking the eyes open as you are ready. Congratulations, you did it. I hope that you are warm and awake now. For more classes like this, please subscribe to my channel. I've also linked to a few related videos in the description below. Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see you soon.